tired. Is that your story? Some people dey wey be say dem no go never pay one dey see play maybe 30 minutes and they are already panting tired. Is that you? Welcome to class. My name is Ayiki. Some people told me that after playing for some time, they get tired very easily and fast, maybe after 30 minutes. I remember. Some drummers will just be like 30 minutes. Wow, what's 30 minutes? When you go to play for burial, people like you cannot survive. See, in case you are watching from another part of the world, burial in this part of the world, especially Nigeria, if you go to interiors like other states, as soon as they come back from church, in fact, you know that the family of the dead, they will go to the cemetery. Others from church, they will come to reception. Yes, they have started work. Most times, there is no serious work for MC. MC will just welcome everybody and he drops the microphone for you people. You can start playing from 12 o'clock, 12 noon till 6 p.m. My first experience was in Akure. The MC did not come actually. Okay, we wanted to sound check, final sound check by 11 o'clock. So we played and we got carried away till around 11:30. Immediately we stopped. We didn't know that people have started coming back from church. So they started provoking. No, you cannot stop. And I said, no, we need to go and change. We want to go and change. We want to go and do blah, blah. Oh, man, I lie you. We had to quickly rush down to the bus, take our costume, put on our costume, and we quickly munch something because we have not even eaten something serious. And I had already told them that after the early breakfast we took, they are going to eat before, that's my normal practice, to eat before we start playing. But we didn't have a choice than to start playing. So we started 11:45. Oh, brothers and sisters, mummies and daddies, uncles and aunties. We played from that 11:45 and we stopped past 6 p.m. I learned different lessons that day. 3 talking drummers came with me. Two. Yeah, two with me, making 3 of us. Around 3 o'clock, the first one couldn't play again. He was really out. He was tired. He was already having muscle pull. 4 o'clock, the second one was already sitting and standing. I don't know. And he was still using scope. By the way, he was my first student. And he enjoyed playing with me at that time, you know. Around 4:30 to 5, he couldn't stand up again. So I was left alone to play to the end. After we finished playing, thank God I was not the one driving. I almost fainted. I couldn't eat. We were playing now. I couldn't eat until after we finished playing. Today, you are complaining that you get tired easily when you are playing. What can you do? Your medicine is what I have brought today. How not to be tired when playing talking drum? Is there anything like that? No, it's not. But there are tips to help you keep playing even when you are tired. Number 1, always drink plenty water. Drink water. You need plenty of water so you can remain hydrated, so that you will not be dehydrated. You need water, so that's very important. Then you need to find a way to exercise. If you don't know how to stand for too long, you have problem. So you need to find a way to exercise. So let's come to drumming. If you know that you are going to play for a long time, please save your energy. You are going to need it later.
What are you running?
Save your energy. When you get to a show, after some time, forget, you get tired. So you need to keep your energy. Keep it simple. Your body you love playing this drum. So it's enough energy drink. It's enough energizer. So just keep it simple. Keep it, nice. When you're supposed to play alujo, play the alujo, not too much energy, The energy that you want to burn in the first 1 or 2 hours is what should last you for 4, 5, 6 hours. All right? So just keep it simple. Keep it straight when you know you are going to. As you are even trying to save your energy, a time will come that the singer will introduce a song that you not have a choice than to put all yourself inside, jump, scream, do everything, play the alujo, do everything, There's times like that. And those are such times that will just help you ginger your swagger. Some. If you know you're going to play for a long time, it's either you get your loop ready or you get enough percussion, like other backing percussion, omele, bata, chord, shekere, it's very essential. So that you can as well, rest, just mellow one of those, just introduce, bang. Those ones will just, if it's just for you to stretch your hand and leg or whatever, resume again. Then look for rhythm that will not stress you for too much. Rhythm that you can play even without looking. Rhythm you can play without even feeling it. So those ones will help you go on and on. Then don't rush your material. If you know that you're going to play for a very long time, don't rush your material. Play one alujo over and over. Sustain it a bit before you change it. By the time you have the opportunity, except there are some songs that have alujo assigned to them. Those ones is easy because as soon as they sing the song, if they sing it 1,000 times, you can play 1,000 times. So that one is good. But the alujo that you have to insert in some songs, or the rhythm you have to insert in some songs, just space it. Don't rush it so that you don't run out of them or start repeating them over and over again. It's good to repeat, but not too much. If it gets too much, people will start tagging you that you don't have alujo, whereas they are not calculating how many hours you are going to be playing. So this is my advice. Take it easy. Eat very well as well. You need food. You need food as well. So some people, they want to eat after they are playing. If you're a band leader and you are looking at me, please make it an habit. As soon as you get to an event, make your people eat first. Me, what I do, as soon as, in fact, if we don't have opportunity to eat or there is no place for us to buy food or eat or get food at the event center, I will just buy snacks, buy whatever. We must eat something before we start. Sometimes I forget and I would have told my band member or captain that, guy, make sure everybody eats before because as soon as they start playing and they don't have something in their tummy, you will feel it now. So many people that want to eat after the show, or I'm tired already. So what would they use that food for? No, if I give you food, you must eat it for me. So I make sure that you eat before. I don't want to stress anybody. So let me give you the energy that is needed for the task we're about to execute, so that we can jump and do our arepa normally. You need food, and you need water all around you. It will help you to keep going. And those are few things that I need to tell you over this. Make sure you don't overstress yourself, because if you do, it's going to tell on your body, and you don't need that. If you can avoid playing for too long, please do avoid it. If you can't, these are the tips that is really going to help you. My name is Ayiki, and I choose drumming. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.